YouTube, welcome. Today, little short video, steering wheel. Obviously I got it second hand and the suede's like gone a bit smooth on the edges and a bit shiny. So what I'm going to do today is bought one of these, well, two of these brushes, suede brushes. Seen a couple of tutorials on YouTube, so I'm going to have a go at repairing it. Let me just show you. You can see there it's quite nice, but then when you come around to here, if it will focus, see how shiny it's gone, and the same round here. Same there as well on the where your thumbs go. So I'm going to try my best and see if basically see if I can. Oh, why has it gone to manual focus? Yeah, so I'm going to try my best, try and get this wheel back up to scratch, and see how it goes. But I'll video it while I'm doing it. So let me just put this down a minute. Oh. I got some olive oil as well. They were using baby oil in the video, but I think olive oil is probably more natural, so I'm gonna try this if I can. Yes. So yeah, I probably won't be able to get everything in, but let's have a go. I'm gonna try and use this bit of the brush first, so see what happens. Hey, it's looking good already. So you can see there, look, that's where it was all shiny, and now it's not. That's not doing too bad. Just it looks a bit, once you rub this brush on, it starts to look a bit lighter in colour. But I think that's where the baby oil comes in, and let me see if I can get me all in focus. Yes. Yeah, I think that's where the baby oil comes in. That makes it go a little bit darker. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. I don't really want to ruin it though, but we'll see.
Do it on the top.
No.
On a toothbrush.
Yeah, I forgot to that one, yeah. I think if I get it, I don't know which way the suede runs. You know, like when you brush like suede or velvet one way, it goes light, and then you brush it the way it goes dark. Figure the way it's going. Ow.
You got two?
Huh?
You got two?
Yeah.
What, different sizes or not?
No, it's the same. Well, it's not. Well, after rubbing this for about 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. Where it was shiny before, I don't know whether it's picking it up on camera. No shiny bits now. Looks really good. Now I'm just going to put some olive oil on. Put some of this on, rub it on with a toothbrush, and see if we can get it where you can see where it's faded a bit here. Like the colour's different, but I think if we put a bit of oil on it, it should be alright. So I'm just going to have a little go at this. I need put a bit in this cap, like this. Whoa, whoa. Put a little bit in here. Just rub some of this in gently. Oh yes, look at that. That looks so much better. This is going to look good. Making it a bit flat now, we've put the thingy in, so might have to, you know, it's making it smooth again, might have to buff it up after. You see?
Put too much on.
You reckon?
Just keep on doing it without dipping it in again.
Okay. Maybe that's what it is.
But if you keep on doing it to like kind of dry it as well,
yeah,
it'll bring it back up anyway.
That looks so much better compared to that side. It's probably not focusing on the camera, but the wheel looking quite good. Look at it now. I don't know whether you can see it, but it actually looks brand spanking new. Other than not, obviously the centre bit, it's got a bit of a scratch like on here, but I can always repaint that. But look, no shininess in the wheel now at all. It was all shiny here. Put vegetable oil on it. But look, I mean the camera won't focus on it, but literally looks brand spanking new. Hey. Yeah, so anybody wants to do it, then it's not that hard. I'm pretty chuffed with that. It's gone dark again now in places. Obviously it's like you put your hand on it and it changes colour, you know, like a bit like velvet does, but there's no like smooth bits now. It's pretty much perfect. But I'm chuffed with that. It looks quite good. It's like new. So yeah, anyone wanting to do that themselves, just get a couple of these brushes off eBay. I think they were like £3 for 2 brushes. A bit of elbow grease, a toothbrush, a bit of vegetable oil, and just, you know, just rub it in gently with the toothbrush, and it comes up perfect. Get your missus to help you as well, because my missus did most of this as well with me. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with the way that's come out. So yeah, it's only a short little video, just to show you what I've done with the wheel. I'll have to go and take a photo now and show people what it looks like. The only thing is I haven't got a before and after photo other than what the guy sent me off eBay, so I could probably put that on there and show you, but I'll take a photo and I'll put it back on the screen now. Yeah, so I'm quite chuffed with the results with what we just done with the wheel. Took like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It looks quite good. At least it don't look all like shiny and greasy now. I did take some photos to put on the screen, but I tried to get it in a bit more light now. Well, as you can see, look, it's come up really well. Like, obviously, when you rub it like that, look, so any marks like that, it looks like we ain't done it properly, but you can see, look, it just fluffs all the leather back up. Great results though, look. Yeah, I'm really quite chuffed now. Looks like I've got a brand new steering wheel. So yeah, I'm going to try and get it put on when I can. I'm waiting for the bolts to come, the stainless bolts. They're still not come yet. I've emailed the guy off eBay today, just asking where they are, because it's took about a week and all my other parcels have come except that. So they were saying, oh yeah, it's because of the way Royal Mail is at the minute, but all my other parcels have come from Royal Mail, so I don't know what he's on about. As soon as I get the stainless bolts, I'm going to whack it back on the car, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the car then. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace!